Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Our today's recipe is Gajar ka Achar or instant carrot pickle. These pickled crunchy carrots goes perfectly with any meal. So to make this achar, here we have about 500 grams of carrots which are cut in juliennes. So we're going to start making the pickle by adding 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now to the oil we are going to add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next we are adding 1/4 teaspoon of onion seeds or kalonji, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 5 to 6 green chilies cut in juliennes, and 500 grams of carrot cut in juliennes. Now let's mix it all together. And now we're going to let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. So our carrots are slightly cooked. Now let's add in our spices. We are taking 2 teaspoons of salt. And we are going to link all the ingredients in the description box down below with the measurements. You can add in salt less or more according to your requirement. Next we are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper is optional. Next we are adding 2 teaspoons of rye powder or mustard powder. Next we are going to add in the fennel seed and fenugreek seed powder. So we are going to add 2 teaspoons of this powder. Lastly we are adding citric acid. Instead of this, if you want, you can also add lemon juice. So we are adding 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. Now let's mix it all together. And now we're going to let it cook for 1 minute. So now the achar is ready. So we're going to turn off the flame. Now we're going to cover it for 5 minutes and let it sit for 5 minutes. So our instant carrot pickle is all ready. It is a very instant and quick recipe. You can refrigerate it and store it for 8 to 10 days. So do try it and let us know how does it comes out. We also have other instant pickles on our channel Shada Cook, so you can check it out over there. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.